Cherokees.
A thriving American Indian tribe.
Our history.
Jalagi Iniwonihi. Let's talk Cherokee.
For me, this is where it all started, on my great-grandparents' farm. It's the land the government allotted to them as Cherokees 115 years ago.
Our culture.
A lot of my pieces start with like a word or a phrase in Cherokee, and I kind of work from there. The language does inform a lot of pieces.
My name is Tracy Rabbit, and I'm a full-time Cherokee artist. I'm Bill Rabbit's daughter.
He's no longer with us, but we continue to do our thing here.
After somebody's gone, art is forever. And that's how we learn about other cultures.
Our people.
It comes back to like when I'm cooking, I feel like I'm, honoring my family, and I just feel like I've like kind of an ambassador for my family, by cooking.
Our future, where we are taking back being stewards of our land and saying, hey, we're going to start protecting not only animals, we're going to start protecting plants as well.
The principles of a historic nation
Sewn into the fabric of a modern world.
It's all I ever done, it's all I ever wanted to be. I'm an Indian cowboy.
Hundreds of thousands strong.
Learning.
Before he was Oklahoma's favorite son, Will Rogers was a Cherokee cowboy from Indian Territory trying to make a name in entertainment.
Growing.
Succeeding.
and steadfast.
In the past, we have persevered through struggle.
But the future is ours to write.
Osiyo.
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 These are the voices of the Cherokee people.